Hello, my name is Ioannis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate your own KeyStore certification. Now, the KeyStore certification will be needed on your mobile apps and some other software applications as well that you're going to be developing in the future. The process is a bit complicated, so I've tried to simplify things by actually generating a batch file. Now, for security reasons, a batch file, if I put a batch file into YouTube, content page section, it's probably gonna think that is a virus, so it's gonna basically remove it. So I've generated text file for you. So it's called it create keystore certificate by Ioannis Dizoglu. I will open this in a minute. However, before we open it, what I would like you to do is go to the description and you can actually download this text file. The next thing you need to do is basically, if you cannot see the extension of the file, go to the folder, go to view, okay? And if you cannot see that, if you cannot see that, click on this option here to expand the options and make sure that file name extension checkbox is checked so you can actually see the txt file. Now, if you right click and you select rename, you will be able to replace the txt with BAT and press the enter key and then click yes. Now you can right click and you can actually select edit with Notepad or edit with any text document editor. Okay, in this case I'm just going to use Notepad++ only because it's easier with the color code to basically see what's happening. I've put some programmer's comments here for you. Okay, and the first thing you need to do is basically go visit this URL and basically go to this web page. This web page is the Oracle's web page where you will be able to actually download and install the latest JDK for your platform. So once you've done that, so basically you click there and then it's going to take you to the latest version. So now you're going to scroll down and you will be able to actually select the appropriate version of the JDK. So once you have basically downloaded and installed the latest JDK, you will be able to go to your C drive, program files, Java, and then you will be able to see the JDK folder, and within the JDK folder you're going to have the bin folder. Click on the white area here to highlight the whole path and copy this path. So let's go back now. What I have done on the C drive, I have created the folder my keys, and within my keys folder I've got this file, the batch file. Okay, the batch file that you're going to be basically generating after once you basically downloaded my text file. And I'm just going to go back here to edit, and the only thing you need to do is basically replace this line, so anything between the double quotes, with your line. So basically the batch file will know where is your JDK. Okay, once this executes, this will basically open the CMD, the command line, and then it's going to ask you to basically put some configuration settings, the correct configuration settings, and based on the correct configuration settings it will store them all into this particular file that you have specified here. So I call this file app name, so here you will change this to whatever name you wish. And basically the only thing you need to do is just change the path here. So the path that I need to put here is this path here. So this is where I would like to store my new keys. So C drive and my keys. I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna basically replace the C colon dot 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 with the new path. Okay, and I'm going to do the same here 2 more times, so three times in total. So I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to replace this line as well. Now bear in mind you can save it anywhere you like, but you have to specify. So this line of code basically will generate the key store, okay, and then it's going to basically open the key store, this the key store file, and basically it's going to clone it. It's going to generate the PKCS12.keystore, which is more the most up-to-date version. Okay, which is up to you then and up to what platform you're using on which version you want to use. So I'm generating both key stores. So this is the only thing you need to do now is you need to save the file, right click here on the create key store certification by Ionis Diesel and select run as an administrator. Click yes, and basically the command line interface will come up. You just need to put your password. So what I've done here, I've created, I always put my password on the comments, so I will remember it. So make sure it's 6 characters. Let me increase that so you can actually see exactly what I've typed on the programmer's comments. So on the programmer's comments, I've put 6 character and numbers. So I'm just going to put here, I'm going to put the password. I'm going to press enter. And then I'm going to retype this password. And press the enter key. Now, what is my first name and my last name? I'm just going to call my first name and my last name. I will say that is my first name. True Greek God is my last name. What is the name of your organization? I'm going to put TGG, Mobile Apps Design and Development. And the organization is TGG, True Greek God. And the name of my city is Athens. And the name of the state, I'm just going to put Attiki. And I'm going to put 2 letters country, so it's GR. And now I would like to I'm going to confirm that. Okay, yeah, that's correct. I'm going to click yes, type yes, and press enter. And now the first certificate, the KeyStore certificate, is generated for me. So now I need to put the password again. And the next certificate now is generated for me. Both certificates are encrypted, so even if you try to open them, you will not be able to read the data. And basically, this is how easy it is to generate a new KeyStore certification by using my simple steps. If you like this video, put thumbs up, subscribe, and put some nice comments there. It'll always feel good. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.